What's good, you guys? I just finished doing this taper fade tutorial. It's a fairly simple tutorial for beginners or intermediate barbers. I broke down my whole system from basically working from the top to the middle and then going from the taper area above. So this is a taper fade. It's a combination of a taper and a fade. So if you're interested in more in-depth videos on barbering, on learning how to scale your business, make sure you guys click the link down below. I offer mentorship for barbers that are serious. So if you're just new to the channel, you want to subscribe and just get some free game, this is perfect. But if you want more in-depth advice about creating content, editing videos, filming your clients here, knowing how to film, knowing when to film, you know, how to organize your schedule, all of that, I have a link down below where you guys will be able to register, and I just take applications for that program. So appreciate you guys for all the support. And if you guys have any suggestions for more content, better content, you know, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate you. All right, guys, so to start our taper fade, we're first gonna cut the sides with the 3-guard lever open. What I wanna create is I wanna create a nice base going from here all the way down to his occipital bone. So anything on top of this, we're gonna blend with our scissors over comb and our clipper over comb. I'm just gonna flick up. I wanna keep this nice shape and bulk right here on the crown. So I'm dipping it towards his occipital bone. Now we're gonna clipper over comb the excess bulk right here on top of the 3-guard. So since his hair does curl up, you know, we're just gonna create a nice clean base here. We can clean that up with shear work at the end or just with our thinning shears. Now with the 1.5 guard, we're gonna close the lever. We're gonna pretend like this is our trimmer line if we were to do a low fade. So the biggest guard we're gonna use is the 1.5. If you guys wanna go shorter and do maybe a half guard lever open, that works too. But for this haircut, we're gonna leave it a slightly bit darker. All right, guys, so you guys see middle of the C cup, one finger kind of goes around the shape of his head, and this is a 3 on top. So how do we blend the 1.5 into the 3? We want to just grab our 2-guard lever open. We're gonna go up about a finger, and I'm gonna flick up. I'm just gonna work this area before going to the back side of the head. Gonna close it. Very gently just tap that beginning of the line. You guys want to make sure you guys flick up. Lever open now, open to closed. So we use that 1.5 to set the guideline, 2.5, 2 closed, and now we're using this one, which is the 1.5 open, and we're just gently flicking. You guys don't have to be so systematic with this as long as you guys blend out the line. Depending on the hair texture, you might have to either flick up a little bit lighter, apply less pressure, or apply more pressure because the hair texture is a lot thicker. Next, I'm gonna line up here the C-cup area and around the neck to have a really clean canvas to work with. We'll start here at the top. That's our first reference point right there. Second one is gonna be here at the bottom, connected in the center. Just push the ear now, this side, using left corner. Now let's start here. Other reference point is going to be here at the top. Let's now connect here to here. Just gliding, not really applying that much pressure, letting the machine do all the work. Point A, point B, now we just got to connect it. Now that everything is lined up, we're gonna start our taper, our ball taper. We're gonna set our guideline, going straight up like this. Next, I'm gonna stretch the skin. Right underneath here, I'm gonna go a little bit harder now with my trimmer. And flip it in this position. It's a lot sharper here. So we're basically almost balding it out. My half guard now, I'm gonna open it about a finger above. That's an inch. Now we're gonna close it and hit the beginning right here. So barely tap it, tap it, tap it. Then put it in this middle position and hit the middle of the guideline. I'm gonna close it again, hit the beginning right here. Now attaching the one guard, lever open. We're gonna go an inch above again too. And just now slowly close it and work my way lower. Close it a little bit. I'm gonna reattach my 1.5 guard. I'm gonna open the lever, kind of just detail anything right here on the side. Close it, because we know around the ear we did a 1.5. So we can always go back and kind of just hit the line right here on the side. Make sure that everything's really taken down consistently. Reattaching now my half guard. I'm just lever playing. Lever closed, middle, and I'm just gonna start flicking up and closing it right here at the bottom. First step, we're gonna grab our trimmer, top of the ear, connect it to the eyebrow, and remove the bulk. My trimmer like this, I'm going to stretch the skin very gently now, just going above, kind of getting rid of that stubble. The reason being, I just want to make this easier for my shaver to create a smoother transition. So there's about an inch here of room that we just balded out. I want to go about half of that with the shaver. So I'm going to stretch the skin here. When I get to that halfway point, I'm going to flick up. I'm going to flick up. Lever open now. Go about a finger above. I'm gently flicking out to create a smooth transition. Softer guideline are easier to blend. That line right here, we can soften it with our trimmer again. So you're gonna just gently flick up, gently flick up. Now with our lever in the middle, we want to attack the guideline here in the middle. Using that trimmer and flicking up kind of eliminated the lever closed. We're still gonna use it, but we can start with the lever open already. 3/4 open. I'm gonna close it now all the way and hit the beginning over here. one guard open, a finger above. Now we're just gonna blend this into the 1.5, which was the base on the side that we used for the taper fade. I'm gonna close it now. This was the end of the lever open. So in the beginning of the lever open, middle now. So you guys can kind of see the pattern. We set a guideline, lever open, and then we want to go and soften it and then blend it out. So we're still going to use the half guard. Half guard now. We're going to start lever playing. Slowly start working my way up. To lightly style, we're just gonna wet the hair a little bit, dampen it.